welcome back, and today I'm going to talk about the lip shade I'm wearing right now. It's looking pretty, na? Yes. So this is from the brand Blushbee. It's an organic beauty brand, and this lipstick looks like this. The outer packaging is looks like this, and I'll show you how the inner packaging looks like. This lipstick is very lightweight, and I'm telling you, I didn't apply any lip balm before applying it, and I'm not feeling my lips dry or chappy or any kind of what to say. You can say that heaviness on my lips of dryness. I'm not feeling that, and that is very good. So just check about the product, and I'll tell you about everything. The price for the lipstick is 699 rupees, and the product quantity is 4.2 grams. And I'm just loving this because it's a vegan product, cruelty free, and made with organic products only. So let's check the video.
So as you all can see, it comes in this black and gold packaging. It is a bullet lipstick, push and click. So all you can see how the shade is. The shade is spring. Yes. So I'm applying it on my lips. It glides smoothly on lips, I'm telling you, and it gives a opaque impact on lips. The coverage is superb, and it lasts for 7 to 8 hours and does not feel heavy on lips, and it is comes with a nourishment formula. So if you apply it even without your lip balm, it will not make your lips dry or chappy. This is the best thing about the lipstick, and it is vegan, cruelty free, and having no harmful chemicals in it. So the shade is looking damn pretty. I'm totally obsessed with this. So let's see how much it transfers. It transfer a bit, little bit, not more than that, and lasts for long. And I'm very happy with the shade. So it is all about the product.
So this is all about the product, and it is very comfortable on lips, doesn't irritate at all the links I will provide in description box, so do not forget to check it. And this is all about the lipstick. If you like the shade, you can definitely wear it. It's very natural pinkish tone, good for me fair to medium skin. I think it will go better. So you can buy this. I hope it will help you a lot. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.